My name is Hamida. You can call me Hamida. I'm from Padang. I'm program studi Biology Education class C in Padang State University. Okay, I will explain descriptive, argumentative, and persuasive paper are different types of academic writing, each with its own distinct characteristic and purpose. Here an overview of the key features of X. Number 1. Descriptive paper. Aim to provide a detailed and vivid description of a person, place, object, event, or appearance. Use sensory detail and descriptive language to find a clear picture for the reader. Next, objective and impartial in tone without make argument or taking side. Focus on presenting factual information and observation. May include personal experience or anecdotes to illustrate the description. Number 2. Argumentative people. Present a clear and well-reasoned argument or stance on a particular issue or topic. Involve research and gathering evidence to support the main argument, and anticipate and address counter argument or opposing viewpoints. Use logical reason, fact, and evidence to persuade the reader. Maintain an objective and formal tone, avoiding emotional language or personal opinions. Typically have a clear thesis statement and a structured outline. Number 3. Persuasive paper. Aim to convince the reader to adopt a particular perspective, belief, or course of action. Use a combination of logic, emotional effort, and evidence to sway the reading opinions. May use rhetorical techniques such as rhetorical question, repetition, and vivid language. Often employ personal anecdotes, real-life examples, or hypothetical scenarios to illustrate their point. Tone can be more emotional and passionate compared to argumentative people. Present counter argument and rebuttal to anticipate and address opposition viewpoint. Will descriptive paper focus on object and detailed description? Argumentative and persuasive paper aim to convince the reader of a particular stand of viewpoint. Argumentative paper rely more heavily on logical reasoning and evidence, where persuasive paper may incorporate emotional appeals and personal experience to sway the reader opinions. Okay, here are the sample of the complex example. Descriptive paper sample. Example. Argumentative paper example. And persuasive paper example. Okay, first descriptive paper example. Title: The Magnificence of Mount Bromo at its golden age. Though honors with an orange glow, silhouetting the line of volcanic peaks, the black sky crept in, replacing the night darkness of the Tiger Valley. These they are inspiring panorama and greets every visitor to Mount Bromo. The iconic tourist attraction in East Japan. The deafening rumble of its crater eruption is like an eternal nature symphony. Okay, next argumentative paper example. Title: Implementing full-time versus part-time education in school. One of the hot issues in education is whether to implement a full-day school system or a half-day school system. Both systems have consequences as will number of pros and cons that need to be carefully considered. For supporters of full-day school, longer hours at school will optimize the teaching and learning process. The curriculum can be condensed so that students have sufficient time to thoroughly master all subjects. Quality classroom learning with adequate teacher guidance will greatly assist students in understanding lesson better than having to self-study at home. Okay, next, persuasive paper. Title: A call to revive the reading culture in the digital era. In this modern and fast-paced era, The habit of reading literary or non-fiction books have started to wane. Our nation seems lured by the ease of accessing information and entertainment online. Yet, reading is the key to unlocking the gateway toward literacy development, intellectual enlightenment, and boosting one's imagination and creativity. It is imperative that we revere our nation's cultural heritage of being avid reading. Let us not allow the younger generation to be disconnected for the root of reading that have produced many brilliant works of intellect, literature, history, and scientific endeavor in the past. What is reading so important? Reading is not reading. It's not merely about transferring knowledge, but it is a window to understanding the mechanics of thinking, honing emotional sensitivity, and aiding personal growth. Thought reading on is a guide to negotiate with new ideas, develop perspective, and explore the boundless realms of imagination. Well, that's the difference. Argumentative people, persuasive people, and descriptive people. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. See you.